Dressing the loom. Dressing the loom is one of the main area of the loom where the warp is attached to the loom parts. For a non-weaver, this may seem a bit technique. Floor looms do take a lot of work to dress. The term used to describe the process of getting the loom ready for weaving. Once the yarn pattern and draft are picked, this can be a this can be a project by all itself. Then the real work begins. Winding the warp. Winding the warp consists of wrapping the yarn around pegs on a warping board in the right color pattern. The warping board is used to measure the warp and ensure all the threads will be the same length. That means all the warp threads should have the same length. One is 200 meters, another is 300 meters. That is not correct. Wrapping with a cross allows the weaver to know which is the next thread in the sequence when threading the needles or reed. It is really important to secure the cross well. After winding the warp, the yarn needs to get from the warping board to the loom without becoming a huge snarly mess. Lots of choke ties get tied, especially at the cross. Then the whole mass can be chained like a crochet chain. Winding the warp can take anywhere from an hour to several hours. Dressing the loom. We usually warp back to front. We start by putting sticks in the cross to make sure we don't lose it and attaching those sticks to the loom. Next, we spread the warp in the raddle. Raddle is a piece of wood with nails every inch and wind the warp onto the back beam. As we wind the warp, it's better to undo the chain that stops the warp from tangling. Dressing the loom continued. We wind around heavy paper to keep an even tension. But there is a handy tip here. The tubes from wrapping paper unroll to make excellent warp packing material. Winding well is incredibly important. We need the warp to go on with an even tension. We regularly go to the front of the loom and tug on the warp to keep things even. A tension problem here will cause problems through the whole weaving process. Once the warp is wound on, it's time to thread the heddles. Heddles means heel shafts. Threads are threaded through the heddles in the order of the draft chosen. Each thread is taken in order from the cross and threaded through its own heddle. It's slow, sometimes painful if you don't stretch enough, and frustrating if you make a mistake. So this is very careful process. It should be done very carefully. It definitely pays to slow down here and double and triple check. Again, this process can take several hours or for a really fine warp days. Next, each thread needs to go through the reed. This is usually quick and easy. Then it's time to tie the warp to the front apron rod. Tension is important now too. Finally, the treadles are attached to the shafts in the order prescribed by the draft. On a floor loom, this requires getting on the floor half under the loom. At last, the real moment of truth. That means dressing is achieved. The first few treadles will tell you if you have threaded each end correctly through the heddles. If there is a mistake in the threading, there is no way to fix it without going back to and rethreading. After all the mistakes are fixed and the tears and the ties are dried, the actual weaving begins. and it's fast. We usually spend way more time dressing the loom than actually weaving. Of course, attention needs to be taken. Keep the pattern correct, keep neat selvages, and change color when needed. This is the photograph of the dressing the loom. Dressing the loom. This is drawing through the heeled eyes. Thank you.